The little red condiment bottle has completely taken over the foodie world. No, not ketchup, sriracha. The hot sauce with the rooster on the front had become a go-to condiment, salad topper, grain bowl accompaniment, and marinade, adding mega flavor to just about any dish. And though the sweet and spicy hot sauce seems to dominate refrigerator shelves and takeout counters alike, is it actually healthy? In a menu makeover, Healthy Salad Empire Sweet Green nixed Sriracha. Their statement was they have gone less sweet and more green, which may explain why they said goodbye to the condiment whose second ingredient is none other than sugar. While Sweet Green's intentions for removing Sriracha from its menu may have been good, now makes all dressings from scratch, in-house, the decision caused an outburst of furious customers taking to Twitter in protest. And since the outrage hints at just how beloved the now controversial hot sauce is, we listed the squeeze bottle facts. It really has become the go-to condiment, but when you take a closer look at it, it's not as healthy as we think it is. The ingredient list raises some immediate red flags. After chili, sugar and salt are the second and third ingredients, respectively. And according to Middleburg, the combination can be dangerously addicting. That sweet and salty combo makes you want more, she explains, and not just more sriracha, but more of the entire dish. Another red flag? The serving size. Though the nutritional facts claim only 1 gram of sugar per serving, that only accounts for 1 teaspoon of the sauce, which is not very much for the average user. It's hard to find healthy options when the company's first priority is often taste. The focus on taste explains many of the unnatural additives and preservatives, potassium sorbate and sodium bisulfate, in Sriracha's case, which help sauces retain their flavor and shelf stability. And though Sriracha's ingredient list may make it worth thinking twice before dousing your food with the condiment with a kick, don't just say goodbye to spiciness altogether. Capsaicin, the component of chilies that makes them hot, can benefit the metabolism by raising the body temperature and increasing your metabolism for a short period of time. The healthiest way to get this culinary kick, take it straight from the source, who recommends cayenne pepper, chili pepper, or chili flakes for a more natural heat. Flavorful spices like cumin and turmeric are great too. When something is really flavorful, it will be more satiating and could slow you down. Clinging to your bottle of Sriracha in defense? Don't worry, you can loosen your grip, you don't have to toss the bottle entirely. Here and there, it's totally fine, just be aware of how much you're using, and look for versions with a more natural ingredient list when you can. Or, even better, make it yourself.